This here is one of the low profile impact socket adapter sets from WorkPro. I want to thank WorkPro for sending us these samples, because whenever you've got tight spaces, so for example, this is a Honda Fit from Japan, which uses a CVT, and access to the transmission uses a similar socket, and the low profile height difference you can see between a traditional adapter. This is just a regular 10 millimeter. I don't have that adapter from 3/8 to 1/2, but if you needed that, this is what the size would be. So if you needed to access really tight spaces, or as an example, you need to torque something which doesn't have clearance, you can see the height difference here between a traditional, this is a small one, this is a 10 millimeter. I don't have that adapter, so you can see what that height is. It gives you over there the difference in height. Or a traditional adapter size, got the 1/2. This one is super low profile, good black construction, chromoly, all color coded. Here are the different sizes. Here we've got the 1/2 to 3/4. The biggest one is 3/4 to 1 inch, and the smallest one is the 1/4 inch here. The smallest 1/4 inch to 3/8. Now it comes in a really compact size like this. The cool thing is it's magnetic, so you can keep it on your garage really nice and organized, and the design is really functional. So again, when you need to torque something or get access to a specific bolt that's got very small clearances, like engine bays or transmissions, or inside the suspension, which is one of the common situations I've had where you can't fit a wrench and you can't torque it. So it's nice to be able to use it on this torque set. This is the Yayi torque set. You can use it for the 1/2 inch, and you even got the small 1/4 inch one over here, which would work with the 3/8 here. So you can see, let's open that one. Let's get that one off. The magnetic part is keeping it nice and stuck here. Let me see. Yeah. So once you get it off your socket set, you can have it installed. So as an example, this torque wrench has a small range. It will go up to 22 pound-feet. Oh no, sorry, it's over here. 23. Am I at the right one? Oh no, this is pounds per foot inch. So Newton meters, so pounds per foot inch, 220 pounds per foot inch maximum. And you can adjust it there. So this was great for something that needs a 3/8 socket to get in a small space. Again, I'll show you the difference of a traditional adapter, which I don't really have. This one is a 1/2 inch to 3/8, but you can see the massive difference it would make to get into really tight spaces. Here's an example of a really small 3/16. This is the height difference. You can see it's still even smaller. And you even got the traditional 3/8 adapter with the U-joint head to get into tight spaces. Usually I've had this fail for me a couple of times. So I've had to end up using an open-ended wrench to tighten. But when you want to be sure and it's something that that's tight and out of the way, this is the way to go. So again, if you like these type of reviews, I do these reviews all the time. I hope I answered all of your questions. And I do a lot of car review tools and backyard, DIY, dad life, family stuff, tech, gadgets. Consider following the channel, because I do these type of reviews all the time. Thank you for your time.